Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss about the most important bullets or key points for the NORCET exam in vital signs. First we will discuss temperature. Normal oral temperature is 36.5 degree centigrade to 37.5 degree centigrade. In Fahrenheit 97.7 to 99.5. Rectal temperature is more than 0.5 degree centigrade higher than oral. Axillary temperature is 0.5 degree centigrade 1 degree Fahrenheit lower than the oral. Tympanic temperature is similar to core temperature. Hypothermia. When the body temperature will decrease or less than 35 degree centigrade is known as the hypothermia. In Fahrenheit 95 degree Fahrenheit. What is hyperpyrexia? When the temperature will increase 41 degree centigrade or more than 105.8 degree Fahrenheit is known as the hyperpyrexia. Site of temperature measurement: oral, rectal, axillary, tympanic, temporal artery. Contraindication of oral temperature: when the patient is unconscious, seizure, infants, mouth surgery, oxygen mask uses. Types of fever: continuous fever, when the temperature remains elevated with the little fluctuation less than 1 degree centigrade. Example is typhoid fever. It's an important. Remittent fever, when the temperature fluctuates greater than 2 degree centigrade but never get the normal. Example is ineffective endocarditis. It's an important. Next, intermittent fever, comes and goes, normally in between. This is known. Example is malaria. Relapsing fever, fever-free period of days followed by the recurrence. Next, pulse. Normal pulse rate is 60 to 100 beats per minute. Tachycardia, when pulse greater than 100 beats per minute. Bradycardia, less than 60 beats per minute, known as the bradycardia. Pulse deficit, difference between the apical and the radial pulse. Most common site for the pulse checking is radial artery. Apical pulse site, 5th intercostal space, left mid-clavicular line. For the children, apical pulse is preferred. For the newborn, pulse rate is 120 to 160 beats per minute. Pulse quality: steady, weak and rapid. Bounding pulse is strong and high volume. All peripheral pulse sites: temporal, carotid, brachial, radial, femoral, popliteal, posterior tibial, dorsal pedis. Which factors affecting pulse? Which are those factors affect the pulse? Age, fever, exercise, hypovolemia, emotion and drugs. Next, respiration. Normal adult respiration rate is 12 to 20 per minute. Newborn 30 to 60 per minute. Bradypnea less than 12 per minute. Tachypnea more than 20 per minute. Apnea. What is meant by apnea? Absence of breathing. Dyspnea means difficulty in breathing. Orthopnea means difficulty breathing while lying flat. Chain-stroke respiration, alternating apnea and hyperpnea seen in the brain injury, heart failure. Kussmaul respiration, it's an deep labor breathing seen in the metabolic acidosis, especially in the DKA, diabetic ketoacidosis. Bitos respirations, irregular breathings with apnea seen in meningitis, brainstem damage. Blood pressure. Normal blood pressure is 120 by 80 mm of Hg. Normal range systolic 90 to 100, diastolic 60 to 80 mm of Ag. Pre-hypertension 120 to 139 by 80 to 89 mm of Ag. Hypertension when the pulse is more than 140 by 90 mm of Ag is known as the hypertension. Hypotension when the systolic BP goes less than 90 mm of Ag. 90 mm of Ag is known as the hypotension. Pulse pressure. Pulse pressure means systolic and diastolic. Like systolic is 120 and diastolic is 80. The normal pulse pressure is 40. Mean arterial pressure. Diastolic plus 1 by 3 pulse pressure. Normal is 70 to 105 mm of Ag. Korotkov sound. Tapping sound. Systolic pressure. Swing sounds and louding knocking and muffling disappearing diastolic pressure. BP cuff width 40% of the arm circumference, length 80%. Sites of BP measurement is brachial artery, common, thigh popliteal artery. Postural orthostatic hypotension fall in the systolic greater than 20 mm of Ag or diastolic greater than 10 mm of Ag on standing. Highly yield points for the NORCET exam. Oral temperature normal 37 degree centigrade, 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Rectal temperature higher than axillary and lower than oral. Apical pulse. Children irregular rhythm cardiac patients. Normal adult respiration rate is 12 to 20 per minute. Normal adult BP 120 to 80 mm of Ag. Mean arterial pressure should be greater than 60 mm of Ag to maintain the perfusion. Korotkov sound phase 1 is systolic, phase 5 is the diastolic. Thank you everyone. Please like, share and subscribe.